Blue tangs can change their color depending on their mood and environment. When stressed or sleeping, they may turn a pale blue or almost white. This ability helps them blend into their surroundings and avoid predators. At night, blue tangs wedge themselves into tight crevices in the coral reefs to rest. This behavior not only helps them avoid nocturnal predators, but also prevents them from drifting away with the currents while they sleep. Blue tangs are primarily herbivores and play a crucial role in their ecosystems by grazing on algae. Their feeding habits help keep algae populations in check, which is vital for the health of coral reefs. Without grazers like blue tangs, algae could overgrow and suffocate the corals. They have sharp spines on their dorsal fins that they can erect when threatened. These spines serve as a defense mechanism against predators, making them difficult to swallow and potentially injuring the predator. Blue tangs often participate in cleaning stations, where they allow cleaner fish and shrimp to remove parasites from their bodies. Blue tangs can live up to 20 years. However, in captivity, their lifespan is often shorter, typically ranging from 8 to 12 years. They engage in group spawning, where numerous individuals release eggs and sperm into the water column simultaneously. This method increases the chances of fertilization and reduces the likelihood of predation on the eggs. The larvae then drift with the plankton until they develop into juvenile. Juvenile blue tangs are bright yellow with blue spots near their eyes and a blue tail. As they mature, their body color changes to the characteristic bright blue with a yellow tail. This color difference between juveniles and adults may reduce competition for resources between age groups. When threatened, blue tangs may hide among the coral and rocks, using their vibrant color patterns to blend in with the surroundings. This camouflage helps them evade predators.